Hey. This is the second time I'm saying hey. But I was pondering a lot on how marketing would be done during the pandemic because people have less cash. They have they don't have trust either. So it's a very important thing for all the founders as well as marketers as well as the corporates to understand how to market during this time. So I have a very good news for the youth as well, and the fellow mates and people who are not sure about what they would be doing in their life. So stay tuned till the end. I have something to say. So what do a user or a person individual who would buy your service would be looking for services or a product? So actually there are three things on which users or people who pay cash for your service or products operate on. One is time, one is money, and one is trust, right? When you have three of this, no one can beat you to the market. It's obvious that you will be doing really great. So the thing that you have to think about now is something like during the pandemic, people have less of money, more of time, and they have less of trust because people are not trusting during the pandemic because the things are not going well. So people obviously lose trust in such situations. So what to focus on during marketing in such a time is something like there is less of money in the market, there is less of trust, but there is a high pump in time because a lot of people have a lot of time suddenly because they're not going for jobs, they don't have the classes. Actually they are spending a lot of free time binge watching say Netflix or something like that. So what is the king in such a situation? What kills time very easily? It's just mesmerizing, but it's content. It might be video, it might be audio, it might be text or anything, but the ruling element is going to be content ultimately. So when people have a lot of time, they have time to watch your video, they have time to listen to you. So stop selling to them and start giving more value to them and making them understand, help them in a different perspective so that they can recall your brand name when they have got cash in their hand and they're going to spend on you. And this is the marketing thing that I'm talking about, is like creating great content that will just build trust in this untrusty situation. When there is no trust in the market, if you're able to build that trust right, then no one can beat you to the market after everything gets right. This is the most important thing and the most powerful thing that you can do for your business, or it would completely shift how you operate in your business. This is the most important thing. And for the youth and young people who have been watching this, there's one thing: the content is ruling. If you are capable of building the influence with your content on the internet, it's going to be like crazy. Like people are going to just love you for the content that you produce and the insights that you put on the internet. So start creating content, start podcasting, start writing about things, start creating blogs, writing articles, anything, but content is the king at this point. And it was always the king, but at this point it's ruling. And thanks a lot guys. This is the second video of my series and I'm planning to make 30 such videos just during the pandemic for giving some value to you all. And thanks a ton guys for watching it, and give me a like if you have liked it, and see you in the next one.